welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to try for quite a while, and I've just been a little too scared to do it. Finally, I thought I'm going to try it, and I checked YouTube. I found one of the guys that did it, and guess who? PitmasterX. Yep, he did it. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to slow smoke some skirt steak. And I know, usually, skirt steak, you use it for carne asada. Carne asada. Make some tacos out of it. It's usually hot and fast. I've done it before on the Pit Boss, where you open up the grate and you put that flame grill on it. Man, it's so good doing it that way. Less than 10-minute cook. But today, it should take probably an hour and a half to 2 hours. And I'm going to get my Pit Bosses started up. And today I'm using Bear Mountain Bourbon barbecue pellets. And I'm not using Pit Boss pellets. This says it's a mellow, smoky flavor, and there's actually bourbon barrel wood in these pellets. And just real quick, Tony over at 1526 Barbecue, he does an awesome review. He does 6 different pellets. And believe it or not, the bottom 2 every time in all his taste tests, him and his wife, the bottom 2 were Pit Boss and Traeger. So I'll put a link down below, you can go check it out. But so today, he's convinced me. I've used the Kingsford Hickory, awesome, more smoky flavor. And today I'm gonna use this bourbon barbecue from Bear Mountain. So, all right, we'll be back with the skirt steak. We'll get it on there and we'll get this going. Before I go get the skirt steak, that Pit Boss has got to warm up. I usually let it warm up for about 15-20 minutes. So while it's warming up, I don't know if you cook outside where it's hot outside, 100 degrees. You guys in Phoenix, Tucson, the lower part of the US where it gets really super hot. I got this new gadget I wanted to show you. It does get hot here. Today's not extremely hot, but it is pretty warm. If you need something to cool you down, you gotta go get you one of these. Let me show you. Look at that. That is a battery operated bucket misting fan. See the little misters right there? Yep. Puts off a good little mist all the way back here. It brings the temp down. It's just awesome. Anyway, wanted to show you that new little gadget that I got. And like I said, if you cook where it's hot, this little guy come in handy. All right. As soon as that Pro Series is heated up, we will be back out with the skirt steak. All right, so the Pit Boss is up the temp, 250. Here's my skirt steak. My package came in pieces. Yeah, almost looks like Florida. And a third piece right here. So it's 2 pounds of skirt steak. And all I'm going to put on here is some of my SPG. That's all we're going to do. We're not putting the world famous spicy one on. We're just putting the famous one on. All right. SPG, MKR. All right. I don't know. You want to see this? There you go. So that's all we're putting on it. Both sides. This does have a little fat on it. I'm going to leave it because I'm going to put this fat side down. And I put it on the smoker, or the pellet grill. And I'm going to put a temp probe in this, and we're running at 250 degrees. We're using the Bear Mountain Bourbon Barbecue pellets. I'm going to let this go until the internal temp. Get a little more SPG on there. So I'm going to get it to the internal temp is at 160 degrees. And then just like when you do barbecue ribs or pork ribs, whatever, I'm going to take it out. We're going to wrap it in butcher's paper. We're going to put it back in and try to bring it up to about 200 degrees, 195, 200, something like that, and we should be good to go. So let's get these on pellet smoker right now. Okay, just gonna get these in here like this. Whoops, fat side down. Put Florida in there. Get this other piece in here. That piece This piece is a little thin, so I'm going to kind of bunch it up a little bit. Okay. Going to get my probe in here. And I am going to stick it right here. Get it in like that. And we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll try to get our temperature up to 160. We'll be back. Okay, so we are an hour and 40 minutes. I had it set at 250. It was stalling at like 150, 153 about an hour and 20 minutes. I cranked it up to 300. PitmasterX does his at 275. I don't have that option on the Pit Boss 1100. The new ones you do, this one you don't. So I cranked it up to 300. We hit 160. Now let's get this off. We'll wrap it up in the butcher paper and bring it on up to 2 or 195, right around in there. Okay, let's do this. Okay, before we do that, check out that storm out there. It's not coming here yet, so we're good. Look at that. That is looking good. Get this off of here. Looks good, doesn't it? Okay, so got my paper down here. Got this storm back here kicking up the darn wind, I swear. I think it's just because I want it cooked. Alright. So there is our spirit steak. It is looking absolutely delicious. Look at that. Okay, PitmasterX so far, he's right. I'm going to get this wrapped up. In our butcher's paper. If I can, in this wind. Alright, so it's a little tricky. Okay, fold this under. That fold it under. Okay, the other tricky part is getting that temp probe back in here, but we'll get it. All right, so like I said again, I went at 250 for about an hour, 20 minutes. It seemed to be stalling. So I turned it up to 300 for about 15 minutes, got up to 160 almost right away. It just took off. So I'm gonna get it back in. I'm gonna leave it at 300. We're gonna bring this thing up. This back in here. Set it that way. Get my probe. I'm gonna do the best I can at getting this thing one of the thicker parts. See how that rolls. Okay, we are up to 200 degrees. It only took 25 minutes. Left it at 300 degrees. I'm gonna take it off. It's starting to wind, right? Getting part of this storm that was back here move through. Okay, now I added some pack of tortillas back there to heat up. So I just put those in about 3 degrees ago, 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is just let these rest, wrapped, and since the wind is blowing, it's cool off a little bit. I'm just going to drape a towel over it, keep some of the heat in. I don't want it to be cold when I eat it or when we cut it up. I'll be back out probably about 10 minutes. Cut into it, we can all see what it looks like. All right, we'll be back. Okay, we've let this skirt steak rest. It's time to cut into it. My towel. Okay, let me get you down here. We got a little sunlight down here. Okay, we got situated. We can see it. Get this unwrapped. Man, that looks delicious. Okay, so what I'm going to do is move this over onto my cutting board. here. Boy, is this nice and juicy. Look at that color. Beautiful. Okay, and you can see with skirt steaks, you can see the grain. You want to cut, obviously, against the grain. Let's cut into that. Oh man, that cut's so nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. Can you see that? That even has a nice little smoke ring. Okay, let's give this a taste. And turn. Let's give this a taste. Look at that. Smoked skirt steak. You see that? Look at that smoke ring. That's incredible. Now let's taste it. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. That smoke flavor, that Bear Mountain bourbon barbecue pellets, you can definitely taste the smoke in this. I didn't put the spicy SPG because I wanted to taste the smoke. I wanted to taste the meat. And it is wonderful. If you want it spicy, put the spicy stuff on it. But just for this, wanted to smoke that skirt steak instead of hot and fast like you normally do. It just fall apart good. Okay. I'm gonna get my tortillas off that little silver pack. Take these in. We're gonna make some tacos and enjoy this skirt steak. Thanks for watching. Now you know. You can low and slow a skirt steak and it tastes absolutely amazing. Okay? We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a great day. Oh yeah, look at that smoke ring. Look at the color of this skirt steak. That smoke color is beautiful. I'm gonna chop this up. Gonna make some tacos out of it. Check this out. Beautiful.